Hey YouTube, Blastoise TV here, and today I'm bringing you a little bit of an extra video as we got a Breakpoint and a Fates Collide booster pack. Still waiting on evolutions. I have a booster box coming in the mail, so once that arrives we will be opening all 32 packs, oh no, 36 packs, I'm sorry, of that booster box on YouTube. So in this one, I'm obviously going to be looking for the Mega Alakazam Full Art, as I do have the Alakazam Secret Rare. I really like the Mega Alakazam version. And Breakpoint, sorry. I'm not super familiar with that set, but I'll see what we can get. So, here we have both of them. I'm going to open the Breakpoint one first. Code card. 1, 2, and 3. 2 to the back. Okay. And we have Shelder, Trubbish, Ducklet. Know somebody who loves Ducklet. On Edge, Glameow, Nuzleaf, Gabite, All Night Party, Reverse Hollow of a Chikorita, it's just an uncommon, and the rare in the pack, a Meganium Hollow. So stage 1 to stage 2 there, or basic to stage 2 there. Pretty cool. Meganium. Love Pokemon Gold and Silver. It's probably 2 of my favorite games of all time. And here we go with the Fates Collide pack. Here's the code card. 1, 2, and 3, and then there's the rare to the back. Okay. Here we have a Deerling, Snubble, Minccino, Bronzor, Larvitar, Brazen, Supporter N, Bahulucha, Reverse Hollow of Alakazam Spirit Link, and the rare in the pack, a Snorlax non-hollow. Thanks again everybody for watching. If you enjoy the video, please like, leave a comment, and check out my Twitter and Instagram. Until next time guys, I'll catch you later. This is Blastoise TV signing out.